Hey friends, if you wish to turn your mouse into a laser pointer in Microsoft PowerPoint, then please watch this video. Now, why would you want to turn it into a laser pointer? Because when you are presenting it, then you will notice that it is better to present it using the laser pointer. I'll show you how. So I'll run the slideshow by clicking on From Beginning in the slideshow tab or press F5. It's the same thing. Now I have the mouse button here. It looks good. But imagine if I press the control key and I press the left click, it becomes a laser pointer. It becomes easier. It's just like I'm pointing a laser towards something. And you know what? The red color is more appealing. If you have a larger room where a lot of people are sitting till the desk to the desk at a distance, this laser pointer will be better for the presentation. Again, how do we use it? Press the control key. It will not change it to the laser. Now you'll have to press the left click key. Till you are pressing both the control key and the left click, you will notice the laser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.